Hello everyone, so today I want to showcase our user calibrated brackets for our mobile wheel alignment system. I want to show you the difference between a calibrated bracket and a non-calibrated bracket. So here we have a bracket mounted to simulate what it would look like on a truck's rim. And this one's already calibrated, so I'll just show you what that looks like. And then you'll see the difference between a calibrated one and a non-calibrated one. So let's start. Just going to zoom in there. So as you can see, that's already on 0. Now after calibration, what you will do is you will spin the whole wheel of the truck when it's jacked up, so you can see if it stays on 0 when spinning. If it stays on 0 while spinning, this is what I'm going to do. I'll zoom in now for you, then you'll know it is calibrated. So while I'm spinning it, you'll see it stays on 0. That means it's properly calibrated and good to go. You can do alignment. Now what I will do is I will change the bracket to a bracket that is not calibrated, so you know what that looks like. Always when taking off your bracket, you will grab it by the magnet and squeeze against the rim to get it off. This is to avoid damage. Now we will mount this bracket, which is not calibrated. And then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay. Okay, it's making sure it's properly on 0, so you can see if there's any deviation. I will do the same thing again where I spin it. So it's a bit hard to see at this distance, but I'll quickly zoom in and then you can see how much deviation there is. So let's zoom in. Okay. So on spinning, you can see it's going off. It's not staying on 0. This is what a bracket looks like when it's not properly calibrated. And this will cause issues when trying to do alignment, as your readings will be off. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it.